Welcome to the Insurance Brokers Podcast, Helpful Hints. Here we break down the best, most informative bits of our full-length interviews.
If you think about traditional insurance, it's largely predicated on a model whereby there's a lot of activity right at the outset. So, from a customer perspective, they go through a quote journey, they go on to purchase the policy. There's a flurry of activity around collecting payment and issuing policy documentation, etc. And then actually very little happens over the course of the next sort of 10 or 11 months until again there's another flurry of activity as the customer approaches their renewal date. From our perspective, not least because we've got this monthly subscription model, actually we've got an opportunity to engage with customers on a much more frequent basis. We actually think that regular engagement with our customers is a good thing, not a bad thing. And part of that is actually about supporting them on an ongoing basis. So again, just really sort of talking to the topic of technology and data, we have built out a number of integrations with the major accounting platforms. So what that means is a Superscript customer can, for example, connect their Superscript account with their QuickBooks account. They're totally in control of doing that, of course. But with their permission, what we are then doing is we are making regular calls through an API to their QuickBooks account, and we're pulling certain data points through. So just to kind of bring that to life for you, we're looking at things like turnover and specifically changes in turnover. We're looking at things like payroll data in order to help us identify whether a business perhaps is employing someone for the first time or increasing their number of employees. We're able to identify things like major asset purchases. And what that's enabling us to do in turn is to proactively serve insights through to the customer saying, hey, we've noticed that your turnover has increased from X to Y, or we think that you've employed someone for the first time, or you've employed some additional staff, or you've made a major asset purchase. And what that's allowing us to do is to encourage the customer to review their existing insurance arrangements. I mean, and of course, with our monthly subscription model, customer can jump into our customer portal, they can increase cover, they can decrease cover, they can add or remove cover to suit the circumstances of their business at that particular moment in time.
Thank you for listening. If you have enjoyed what you have heard, have any questions or feedback, please leave us a review and we will be sure to get back to you. If you would like further information on how Boston Tullis Group can support your business, or if you would like to join us on an episode, please do not hesitate to contact us.